first sound story. So students, today we are going to learn first sound story जिसमें आप बहुत सारे first sound words सुनोगे. तो सबसे पहले who are the characters of our story? The characters of our story are Fardeen, his sister Fatima, a fox, a fish and a frog. Hello everyone, welcome to RJ Learning Fun. Here, learning is always fun. One day, it was holiday and Fardeen and his sister had come for a picnic. So holiday था और फरदीन और उसकी sister कहाँ पर आए? Picnic के लिए आए. They sat near the fence. This is the fence across the river. So river के उस तरफ एक fence के पास फरदीन और उसकी sister फातिमा बैठ गए. There were many flowers around. So वहाँ पर गार्डन में बहुत सारे flowers थे और they had a bonfire और उन्होंने वहाँ पर bonfire भी की. Fardeen took out fruits, plate and fork from the basket. So Fardeen ने क्या किया? अपनी बास्केट में से फ्रूट्स निकाले, fork निकाली और एक प्लेट निकाली. They were both having fun with funnel and water. तो फातिमा को आप देख रहे हो वो funnel के अंदर water pour कर रही है and she is having fun. Fardeen saw a fox sitting near the river. So फरदीन ने देखा अरे भाई यहाँ पे तो एक fox बैठा हुआ है रिवर के पास. And what the fox was doing? The fox caught a fish with the help of fishing rod. So this is a fishing rod and fox ने क्या किया? एक fish को caught कर लिया. तभी क्या हुआ? A frog came out of the bushes and requested the fox not to eat the fish. So ये frog इस fish का friend था and उसने fox से request किया please do not eat this fish, do not catch this fish. फरदीन ने भी क्या किया? फरदीन showed no fishing flag. फरदीन ने बोला देखो यहाँ पे flag लगा हुआ है, इसमें लिखा हुआ है no fishing. Fishing is not allowed here. So फरदीन showed a no fishing flag to the fox and requested him not to catch the fish. तो frog और फरदीन दोनों ने fox से request किया please आप इस fish को छोड़ दो. And the fox was very kind. The fox put the fish back into the river. So fox ने fish को छोड़ दिया और fish वापस water में चली गई. Fardeen was very happy and gave all his fruits to the fox. So Fardeen ने खुश होकर सारे जो fruits थे वो किसको दे दिए? Fox को दे दिए. So at the end, everyone was happy. Fish was happy, it got its life back. Frog was happy, he got his friend back. Fox was happy, he got fruits. And Fardeen and Fatima were happy because they have done an act of kindness. They have saved the life of a fish. So in this story, you learn how many first sound words. First, the name of the boy was Fardeen, for Fardeen, and his sister name was for Fatima. Fardeen and Fatima, they were sitting near the fir fence. Fatima was having fun with funnel and water. For flowers, Fardeen took out fruits and fork from the basket. Then Fardeen saw a fur fox. Fox was catching fur fish with the help of fur fishing rod. A fur frog came out and requested Fox not to catch the fish. And Fardeen showed a no fishing flag to the fox. Put the fish back into the water and Fardeen gave all the fruits to the fox. First sound story picture description. You can also describe this picture with the help of a story. It was holiday. Fardeen and his sister Fatima had come for a picnic. They sat near the fence across the river. There were many flowers around. Fardeen took out fruits, plate and a fork from the basket. They both were having fun with the funnel and water. They saw a fox sitting near the river. The fox caught the fish with a fishing rod. A frog came out of the bushes and requested the fox not to eat the fish. Fardeen showed a no fishing flag to the fox and requested him not to catch a fish. The fox put the fish back into the river. Fardeen was very happy and gave all the fruits to the fox. whether the following statements are true or false. So students, आपने अभी एक स्टोरी सुनी है और अब आपको बताना है कि ये जो statements दी हुई हैं, according to the story, whether they are true or false. Fardeen and Fatima went for picnic. True, yes, Fardeen and Fatima went for picnic. They sat near the gate across the road. No, they sat near the fence across the river. So this statement is for false. They saw a fox near the river. True? Yes, true. The fox was catching frog with his fishing rod. Is it true or false? This is false because the fox was catching not frog. He was catching fish. So this statement is false. Fardeen showed him no fishing flag. True? Yes, Fardeen showed the fox no fishing flag. So this statement is also true. Now let us learn how to write this letter F, which sounds. Start from the top, take a curve, come down and cut from between. Start from the top, take a curve, come down and cut from between. Just like the shape of your grandfather's stick, take a curve, come down and cut from between. For fox, for 5, for fingers. Once again, start drawing, take a curve, come down and cut from between. Take a curve, come down and cut from between. F. Dear students, all the first sound words that you just listened in the story, they were all naming words because they name either a person, a place, an animal or thing. And thus they are also called nouns. We can say that the names of person, place, animal or things are called naming words or nouns. For example, Fardeen is a naming word or noun. Fatima is a naming word or noun. Fardeen's sister is a naming word or noun. Fardeen was Fatima's brother. So brother is also a naming word. It's a name of a person. So sister, brother, father, teacher, they are all naming words, name of a person. Similarly, the name of all the places are also called naming words or noun. Like here, they were sitting across the river. So the river, your home, school, shopping mall, these are all places. And the name of places are also called nouns. Name of all the animals are also called nouns or naming words. Like here, fox, fish, frog. So the cat, dog, elephant, these are all naming words or nouns. Name of all the things that you see around yourself, like here in the story, fork, fruits, flag, funnel, water, fire, and in your home, bed, chair, table, in your school, blackboard, your pencil, eraser, books, bag, they are all naming words or nouns. So all the naming words are called nouns. And these naming words can be of two types, common nouns or proper nouns. So all the naming words can be common nouns or proper nouns. Proper nouns are the special names. When you give the special name to any person or thing or even your pet animal, then they become proper nouns. For example, here the boy's name was Fardeen. So Fardeen is proper noun or special names. Fatima, the name of Fardeen's sister, Fatima. So this is proper noun. They both live in France. So name of a city, name of a country, name of your school, they are all called proper noun. So when we give some special name to a person or place, then it becomes proper noun. And common noun are all the general naming words like sister, flower, there are many types of flowers, fence, fish. Common names are called common nouns, but when we give a special names to any common noun, then it becomes proper noun. And all the proper nouns always begin with capital letter. Remember, all the proper names will always start with capital letters. And common nouns When they are coming in the beginning of a sentence, only then they will come in the capital letter. Otherwise, between the sentence, all the common nouns will always be written with small letter. Let's revise the sound that come before f. First is a. A for apple, alligator, X. A. Then it is b. B ball, b boy, b bear, b. First bat, then ball. Then this is k. K cow, k computer, k cookies. Take a half round and this is k. Then d. D drum, d duck, d dinosaur. First take a round, go up, come down. This is d. A, b, k, d and then e. Short line and then curve. Take a short line, then take a curve. Enter, elephant, exit. And this is f. So till now we have learned 6 sounds: a, b, k, d, e, f. And the next sound story is g.